Kia ora koutou, kia ora from sunny, windy, wet Auckland. We've been staying here this week in our caravan while we've gone out and about doing matariki shows all over the city, and now we're headed home. And I wanted to just use this as a little explanation of the pronunciation of this lovely suburb of Auckland. So remember to put the breaks after each vowel. So it's re, mu, e, ra. Remuera, 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 which is probably almost never pronounced correctly by Pākehā. And it's quite a tricky one because of the two rolled R's. And mostly when people see a U in a place name, like they say menu for manu rewa and remu. So there's a lot in there to get right, but I just thought I would let you know, just in case you want to practice that one. Remuera, remuera. Ka kite.